Start by removing the lower dash. Insert the pry tool to loosen the clips. There are 3 screws securing the steering column cover that you need to remove. Using your pry tool, disconnect the 2 halves of the steering column cover. Once you have a bit of a crack, you can just use your hands to pull it down. Now we have access to the 2 factory connectors that we will connect our T-harness to. Please note, the one that is white in this vehicle may be a different color in your vehicle. Press the tabs on the connectors to remove them and connect the T-harness in line. Route the wires away from any moving parts and secure them with the included zip ties.